Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. It's Jenny, and come on in. I've got you some more deals to help you get those kids back to school and save you money, and you know you want to know. So, give the video a thumbs up on your way in and share with your friends. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, let's fix you up right now. Look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you don't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information hanging out with the best friends ever. Just saying. You don't want to miss any of that. Not to mention right now, we're giving away free money. And all you've got to do is watch 2 videos in a row. Make sure you comment on both and share. Like it. That's it. And then you're going to be entered into our surprise Dollar General gift card giveaway that we'll be drawing every other video. It's a surprise. That's why you gotta watch it. Alright guys, come on in. Well, we've got some new coupons that posted, and they're double dipping, and they're food, and it's some of our favorite food, and it's going to help you with the kids because it is some of the kids' favorite food as well, and some of it we can eat for lunches for you and your kids. Alright, now we got our Pepsi and Lay's coupon back. It is not glitching, however, but it is attaching to the Pepsi 2 liters. So we can do this deal several different ways, and so we're going to go over a couple of ways that we can do this deal. Yes. And then we're going to talk about a new earn deal as well. Okay, this is another new coupon that posted. And guess what, guys? It's going to stack with our Pepsi Lay's coupon. Yep. Should fix right on in there because this is a manufactured coupon and the other is a store coupon. So, we're going to take advantage of this double dipping food deal. We're going to pick up 1 Red Baron pizza for $5.95 and 1 2-liter Pepsi product, okay? And then we're going to also use this DG store coupon for $3. Now this is going to attach to that 2-liter. So get the 2-liter Pepsi product and whatever bag of Lay's potato chips you would like to have. The cheapest Lay's potato chips is $3.95, but they're also on sale 2 for $6. So, like I said, there's a variety of ways you can do this deal. But either way it goes, it's going to get you a super cheap dinner. So, you're going to pick up the Red Baron pizza, a bag of Lay's potato chips, and a 2-liter Pepsi. Now, your math on this is $12.40. You're going to have $5.50 in coupons coming off, leaving you paying $6.90 out of pocket for a bag of Lay's potato chips, a 2-liter Pepsi, and a Red Baron pizza. So that's one way to use this coupon. Now, if you don't want the pizza, you can simply pick up the $3.95 Lay's potato chips and the $2.50 Pepsi 2-liter. At $6.45, you're going to get $3 off. You're going to pay $3.45 out of pocket for that. Or, you can take advantage of the 2 for $6 Lay's sale. Pick up 2 Lay's products and 1 2-liter Pepsi. And your out of pocket will be $5.50. Okay, here is our math for these items that we just talked about. This is the 1 bag of chips, the Pepsi for $6.45 and the $3.45 out of pocket. And then on the side you see it with the 2 bags of chips that's going, and the Pepsi, which is going to be $8.50, and your out of pocket is $5.50. Now, below is your Lay's, Pepsi, and Red Baron, $12.40. Your coupons are $5.50. Your out of pocket is $6.90. And then we can go below and we can do this one as well. You've got a $2 coupon off 3 12-packs of Pepsi products, and they're on sale 3 for $14. So you can pick up 3 12-packs for $14, 1 bag of Lay's potato chips. You're going to get $2 off for your Pepsi products, $3 off for your store coupon, okay? Double dipping again. So your out-of-pocket's going to be $12.95. And this is any day of the week, guys. Okay? Any day of the week, you can do these deals. Now, let's talk about a daily deal, guys. This is our new Earn product. Well, it's not new, but it's on sale, so it makes it a better deal. We're going to pick up 2 of the Edie's ice creams. They are on sale for $3.75. They're regularly $4.65. So you're saving a good chunk right there. So $7.50, $1 off, $6.50. And then you're going to earn that $1 back. So they're going to be $5.50 out of pocket for 2 or $2.75 a piece for the Edie's, I think it's half gallons of ice cream. Okay, now let's move to our Saturday scenarios using these products in case you just want to wait until Saturday. You can pick up 3 of the Pepsi 12-packs. You know, it can be Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Starry. And 2 of the Lay's potato chips that are on sale. 2 of the Klondike bars. And 1 Always Liner for $3.25. Now, with your $5 off, you're looking at $16 in coupons and an out-of-pocket of $11.75. Now, if you're not in a older operating system store and you don't get overage, it's going to be $12.75. So that is still a winner dinner, because it's like getting the Lay's and the Klondike and your liners for free. To this every or any day deal with the Lay's and the 2-liter Pepsis and the Red Baron. If you want to do this deal on Saturday, you'd have to add a few more items. So, we can add the Edie's ice cream, we could add 2 Klondike bars, and we could add the North Side. Now, if you have 2 of the Klondike bar coupons, pick up 4. Much better deal, okay? But we have a new coupon for 25 cents off 1 North Side, and the North Side is $1.25. So, it's food. So, you're looking at $25.65. You've got $13.25 coming off. That is an out-of-pocket of $12.40. And then you're going to earn back $1. So, your final out-of-pocket is $11.40. And that's 8 items at $1.42 an item. And you would be getting Lay's potato chips, a 2-liter Pepsi, a pizza, 2 Edie's ice cream, 2 Klondike bars, or all total, you'll be getting 12 Klondike bars, and a North Side. So there you go. That's a winner chicken dinner right there. So there's you some everyday deals and a couple of Saturday scenarios on food, things that you can feed your family. So blessings. We'll see you again real soon, because we've got a lot more deals, guys. So make sure that you come back and check with the channel if you've not been notified in a day, because sometimes these notifications run behind and you don't want to miss anything. So it's okay. Come on back by and check yourself. Don't forget to leave your comment, like, and share, so you can get entered into that free money giveaway. Blessings.